Hi, friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking, and Card Making. So today I'm sharing my Spellbinders FSJ unboxing with you. I have several different products that Spellbinders sent me, and I can't wait to get started on my projects. So let me go ahead and show you the dies and how they're packaged and so forth. This is a huge hello die, and I have already gone through each one of these packages, and I tell you, when they said hello, when they said huge, they were not kidding. This is huge. So I love the fact that they keep their FSJ branded dies in green. This is such a happy color green. I just love it, and I can't wait to work with this. And I will be leaving you the links to these FSJ products in the description area below. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, click on that bell icon, because I have a lot of fun projects to share with you in the next few weeks. And oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun. And what I love about the FSJ Spellbinder stamps is that I'm not much of a coloring person. I really don't get the hang of it. And so, but these stamps are very easy to use, and not only do you get these really cute stamps, but also their coordinating dies are available as well. So I am so looking forward to die cutting these cute stamps. This is what the back looks like. There you go. And let me show you this other one that I got. When I saw this on their website, I was like, yes! I just fell in love with this cow, and look at the piggy. They are so super cute. And of course, you get the sentiments and whatnot, and you even get a little bird's nest right along there. I'm so sorry about the glare. I got to remember to tilt my items this way so that y'all don't get that glare. So anyways, this also comes with a coordinating metal dies. So the other die that I have to show you is this paper fan die set. This is the packaging, and this is the die, and I can't wait to get started on this. So super excited. And this other one, this is a set of 3 medallion die sets, and they're just decorative dies. And this is what they look like. I just love that color green. Love, love, love. So let me show them to you. We have this design right here, and we have this other design. They're beautiful designs. And here is another one. And oh my gosh, these are so super beautiful. And I also got a bow die. I can't wait to work with this. This is a Create a Bow mini die. And I don't know why they make the packages so big. I guess it's easier to mail out or for them to store. But look at this. It's so super cute. And let me go ahead and remove it from the packaging, from the bag, I mean. I love this color green. They're so pretty. And this is a die. And of course, this is that little band that wraps around the bow. Spellbinders FSJ carries steel ruled dies as well. And I'm glad that they sent me the steel ruled dies, because I wanted to show them to you. I wanted you to know that they also carried these. And so this one right here, I've already taken them out of the package, and let me show you the packaging. Okay, they're going to come in a box like this. This is for that one, and the bigger one came in this box over here. Okay, and so anyhow, this one right here is called the Journey Days Love tab. And what I love about this is that you can make a mini album from it. Look over here. We have 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, and over here it's going to punch out these circles, right? So that means that you have a spot here for a a ring to make a ring binding mechanism for a heart-shaped mini album. How exciting is that? And they stay with that beautiful shade of green. And over here, now something like this will definitely fit through my Platinum 6. And this one, I'm going to have to use my regular Spellbinders Platinum, which is the big heavy machine, to run something like this, because this is going to be pretty big. Okay, you will be using your 12-inch platforms. And so what this is a milk carton die. Yes, I finally got a milk carton die. I am so super excited that they sent these dies to me and these stamps, and I can't wait to get started on my projects. And if you are not a subscriber of mine, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon. And I want to welcome all of my new subscribers, and I hope that you stick around. I do primarily card making and mini albums, and I will go ahead and leave you with the links to all of these items in the description underneath this video. Thank you so very much for watching my videos, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so that YouTube will notify you the next time I upload a brand spanking new video. Thank you all so very much for watching. Bye.